What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. Today we got a pretty special one coming for you guys. We're gonna be unboxing the new turbo that we got for the 2018 STI. We're gonna be sending the stock block, seeing how it feels, and yeah, let's get into it. There she goes. Hell yeah, brother. Now the nut. That's the problem. You can give me 6 times I use it. Okay. Oh, that's tight. Downpipes out. Fluid drains. Need some nicotines. That is actually great. Everything's literally what, like either a 14, 15?
Everything's been a 14 so far. Oh my.
That one was on there.
No fucking way. She's moving, Minnie. Holy shit. A little bit of play. Nothing literally crazy. Still in mint condition. Little stocky J.
Come on. Some. What's the difference is this. This bore.
Yeah, you can tell how much bigger. The actual turbo, like the thing
It's the same
itself.
size.
Yeah, same size.
It's just the bore.
No, yeah, it's just my angle.
Sockets and tools and wrenches everywhere.
Sockets, tools, wrenches. Fuck.
It's like a massacre over here.
Fuck.
What the fuck?
FP Blue's in. Oh shit. We just gotta go run and get a new vacuum hose a little bit longer because the Cobb one is definitely way too short. Alright guys, so everything's in, everything's bolted on. We just gotta run to Home Depot and get a new coolant line. Vacuum line. But turbo's in. Definitely a little bit of a bitch, but nothing crazy. Alright guys, fast forward to the next day. We got the FP Blue installed in the 2018 STI. I'm super gassed. Shout out to my boy T Puglia and his brother Kobe for helping me get the install done. And you know, my boy Juanito, of course, always helping out. But so the car's running good. We took her home. We obviously stayed out of boost. It did take about 6.5 hours. FP gave us, you know, everything you need. You change out the oil line. The only thing that we did notice was we needed a longer vacuum line from the boost controller to the wastegate. So that was, you know, obviously an easy fix. We just picked up some new vacuum lines. But other than that, you know, everything was just pretty simple. Bolt on, drain the coolant, flush the coolant. So yeah, the car ran good. We let it idle. I drove her home. She made it home fine. I stood out of boost. Obviously, you know what I mean, the new turbo is not tuned yet, so we got the dyno tune coming up tomorrow. We're hoping to make maybe 400 to the wheels. We'll see what we can get, but we're gonna push the stock block and you know, keep it reliable, but really kind of max out the stock block. Alright guys, so let's just get a quick cold start and let it idle for a little bit. Running nice. Numbers are looking good.
Alright guys, so if you're gassed just as like I am, make sure you sub to the channel and stay tuned for the dyno day to see what this baby makes with FP Blue full bolt on E85. Let's get it. Subi fam out.